Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing some long coffin nails. These are the tips that I used. I got them off of Amazon and they are so good. Probably the best tips I've ever used. I'm starting off by wiping my nails down with rubbing alcohol and then going in with the base coat. I'm just going to put that on all of my nails. I usually just put it on one nail at a time as I'm doing my nails, and that's because I get a lot of cat fur and like lint all over them. So I should have just done that with this one, but this time I'm putting it on all the nails just so it's quicker. I'm using this Polygel from a cart. I was gonna go in with Kiki, which is more of like a pinkish brownish kind of tone, but I decided since I'm using like a pink gel later on, I think that this just basic nude color would look really nice, so I went with this. And I'm just gonna show you me applying the Polygel on one of my nails. I just wanted to make like a quick and short tutorial for you guys. But let me know in the comments if you do watch like these types of videos. Do you like it when you get to see every nail? Like, do you like it longer? Or do you like it when it's cut up and shorter like this, where it basically gets right to the point? I'm just applying the Polygel. Usually on my first layer, I focus on just spreading it all out and making sure it's even. And then I'll cure it and go on to a second layer of Polygel where I build up the apex. Here's what the nails look like when they're all done. I'm going to show you how I file. I'm trying to not use the e-file this time because usually when I end up using the e-file, my nails end up very bumpy and like not good. So I mostly use the hand file. I didn't have much filing anyway, so it wasn't really that annoying to just use a hand file, but I basically focus on the sides and the end of the nail, kind of bringing the sides in to keep the shape, and then I kind of just like buff out all of the surface to make it smoother. And then I'll even go in with my e-file with a cuticle bit just to get around the cuticles, because I do not want to go around the cuticles with a hand file and risk like cutting up my cuticles. they're all filed. I'm using this disco gel from the cart. This one is so pretty. I got the whole bundle. I wanted to use the silver one too, but I don't know, I just love this pink, and I haven't had pink on my nails in forever. I also finally got nail art brushes, guys, so I don't have to use my old eyeliner brush. I got this set of Macart nail brushes. They're so nice. And I'm using base coat on all my nails and then rubbing off like the sticky layer after I cure it. I could have just used top coat, but I used way too much top coat and I was like, why not just use the base coat, because I don't go through base coat as fast. And onto the design, I'm just like outlining the sides and the tip of the nail, and I'm trying to make like the lines a bit thick but not too thick. I just wanted to be like a nice outline. And then you'll see I even do like, what's it called? You know when you go and do like a French tip and you do like the curve? I don't know, like, I'm sure there's a technical term for it, but I do like the little curve too. So it's basically like a French tip, but you're not filling it in. And also, I do 2 coats on each nail just so the color is more vibrant and it has more of the little reflective glitters in it. I'm also just showing you on the first 2 nails. Once again, please let me know if you'd rather have me do longer videos where I show every single nail, or if you like it short and simple like this one. Here I'm just rubbing off the sticky layer from the gel, and I did decide to file the tips of my nails just because I got a lot of gel on that. And then I'm using a matte top coat to kind of smooth everything out, and then I end up going in with the normal top coat. that's all. This is what they look like in regular light. And I also went outside to show you guys. It was snowing and cold, but I still got it for you guys. With flash, it's even more beautiful. Come on, that is gorgeous. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.